as promised, I know I can only do like an hour of this. I got this to help me. I got my my SOL orgy flower kit with me. Because I have to. This is a bullet trail anyway. And this is for tomorrow for the 1 year thing. I wanted to do it today because it was a nice day, it's nice cool. And yeah. Put my hat on. This is gonna be all raw, filmed and uploaded as is. I think I got an hour on this. Looking at my thing, and it looks like I'm going east. Okay, some nice moss. Actually, a very nice trail, actually. In Glen, hey, there's a pond site. I want to do this for the year, and right now is the perfect time for me to do it. It's nice and cool, it's like 64. And here, I have my little bit of gear with me. I have DIY just in case I have to spend the night, which I probably don't have to because it's a marked trail anyway. Got a little knife, just some good deadfall. If I had to, I could use that to make a fire. If I'll get off my glasses. I actually like this trail. I always bring minimal stuff because I know how to where to go to get out. I'm gonna try to film all of this. It's like a quarter mile, I think. And I am looking up to see. I might actually pause sometime just to sit down and do whatever. But yeah, it's a nice little trail. I work my butt off at the gym. I feel like I need more cardio, more walking to lose a little weight. Yeah. So this is what I'm pretty much doing when I travel, doing trails and all that, but I'm gonna have better equipment. By then, I have left my aunt behind because she came with me. That's okay though. Let me see right now. Have my ferro rod and my SOL orgy flower kit with me. Because why not? I think that's in this pocket. Yeah, that's in this pocket with some dew wipes and all that. Hopefully shake. I don't know if I have a shake to move shaking this, but yeah. It's the first time in like years since middle school, or maybe high school, which is like maybe 20 years. It's a nice little trail though. And yes, I work my butt off in the gym, still walking, so, yeah. I have no idea what time it is, I'm like almost 5. Okay, so here's the first sitting down bench, right here. I'm gonna sit right there though, because you don't know what. Yeah. Of course, I haven't been walking long enough to sit down yet. Okay, there's up here, that's a trail loop. If I had to do if I wanted to do the trail loop, I could. Just to save time, but I've only been doing it for like 4 minutes, so. Okay, here's the trail loop. I could go either way. Now, I'm gonna go this way, because I don't remember, because I think that brings you back to the thing. So I'm gonna go this way. Tree. Okay, I'm sure enough to duck down. Now, if you have a survival situation out here, this is actually a really good place to get limbs and all that for a fire. Of course, you probably will. Here's the second one. Here's a second thing up here. And you see it's something been maintained for years. I'm gonna keep going this way. Either way, have a whistle with me so I can do 3 long, 3 short, 3 long bursts of it. So yeah. I think I have an hour to do with this. I don't know. There's a lot of. This is a mock trail anyway. So hey, here's a trail. Yeah. I ain't worried about mosquitoes or anything like that. It's not hard enough for them to be a nuisance. Now you need to pay attention to where you're going in this type of trail. I have my hat on, so I'm good. Of course there's whatever out here, but it's a trail, so usually you won't get bothered. And hopefully there's a nice shade spot if you get hot. Of course, I've been walking long enough. We've been walking like 6 minutes. That's nothing to me. I'm using my phone for this. Too. Now, I'm at least doing 30 minutes of recording for this. If I can. Now, be careful where you step. Now, some beautiful shots of the forest for a second. Now, they switch my hand. I'm going to be switching hands from left to right. Now, if I had to, I have some gear with me. I have minimal gear. We purify water. You know, if I can find a water source out here, I could get the thing I have, fill the water, make a fire, and purify that. Of course, I have no food, but water's most important to me. Huh. And you get some beautiful shots of that. And you see it's a trail. Now, like a mock trail, it's like, okay, here's how you go. You know, I like this. It's actually a nice trail to walk. It's like a beginner trail. The yearly trail is way down the road. That's a long as heck trail. I'm happy on a GoPro or something that can last, or I can get something that can make this record for hours and hours. Like, okay, I gotta watch out for poison ivy, poison oak. It's okay though, because I got a. If I was actually, you know, prepared, I would want my kit with the poison ivy oak and sumac wipe. Well, my ear is way behind. That's okay though, because this is basically kind of like a solo anyway, because she walks a little tough. Okay. Yeah, my knees gonna be hurt like crap, but I need more cardio in my walking out anyway. So it's a fun opportunity. I like this. Like, it's actually one of my favorite trails. I used to walk as a kid. I used to go to the village every weekend. Now, they upkeep this. Of course, if I had to, I had. Oh, I don't have my machete with me, crap. But yeah. Oh no, my legs should be more vascular after I do this. But whatever. I'm gonna shout for a minute and let y'all enjoy the walk. Also need to pay attention to what I'm doing anyway. I'm not out of breath actually. It's a nice trail thing. I think it ends with a Indian burial mound somewhere. I don't have a map for this. It's just a remote trail, and I'm near where I live, like where my vehicle anyway is. So, yeah. I can look out for poisonite over here. So that's a widowmaker right there. I know for a fact. I need to get more nature shots of me just walking. So, I hope y'all watch all of this video. Okay. I'm wearing Crocs, by the way, letting y'all know. I need to let go of my tennis shoes for those. So I'm gonna have socks for them. Okay, let's pay attention to the trees. Okay, yeah, that'd be really good for boating. I think up here is a sitting place. If it is, I'm gonna sit for a minute. I'm gonna pause the video. Here's how I do this. I pause the video usually. Oh, that's really good for making a shelter too. I know enough about survival to know. You know. Okay, Rose. Okay. That'd be good just to have because it's like a lean-to when you need to tow up. You know that, which I do not have with me. I think up here is a sitting area. I think, oh no, they don't put posts. Oh, hey, there's some wood if you had a little salt you could. I'm pretty sure that's legal now. Oh, right now, really. Okay, that's one of my favorite trees. I don't know why. Also, if I could find a pine tree, I would have food. So I think it's a pine tree. The bark and all that you can eat the bark of a pine tree, I believe. I'm gonna use pine tree, most pine trees in the United States. I gotta check my thing, the little cords I have. Well, I'm doing this. Cause I just can't sit still right now. Yeah. I don't know if I have any silver so I do. Kind of cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna, go, oh, like a blah, blah, blah. That's when you see the most blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. I'm gonna sit down coming up. I can find a tree or whatever I can sit on. I think there's some pine trees. And I believe I can eat the bark of those. But I'm not going to go off the trail though. Because screw that. See, right now I have 60 grams of protein in me, so might as well use that energy. I love this trail. I can only do like an hour. How many I can do? That'll be the video, and I'll be uploading that tomorrow. Yeah. We're trying to get as much possible. Plus, here's what I'm gonna do when I get to the sitting area. I'm gonna get my stuff out and count and see what I have. I mean, it's shady, so you're not gonna get overheated. That's pretty good. I see a lot of palm fronds right there. There's a palm frond. I believe. I don't know. I know enough about the trail to not get lost, pretty much. This right here. Some beautiful nature shots. And let's go. I just say for me, just I have no idea how long this show is, but I have an hour to record, so you should get a nice, good, long video. Either way. Even if it's like halfway, whatever. Okay, here's a clearing, and here's 2 posts. Okay, here we go, here's some more posts. That's good. Oh, that's good for bunny right there. If you were stealth camping, over there would be a good place. The heck? Yes, some of this needs to be clear, but you gotta worry because none of this is poison ivy, poison oak, or poison sumac. Obviously. Okay. They'll never go off the trail. That's how hikers get lost and die. That's my advice. Okay, this moss, I think is a good indicator of this is going in. Okay, so of course I'm not going off the trailhead at all. None of this is poison ivy, poison oak, or poison sumac, because that'll be a leaf shape. I don't know about this, but I'm avoiding that. Okay. Be careful with that because you could really hurt yourself with that one. Here's it. Okay. Also, I'm going to walk as long as I can. I'm going to turn back. This is woods. This wouldn't be cleared at all. I think up here is, I don't remember. I think up here is a thing. Good, still recording. Okay, I'm gonna sit for a few when I find a thing. Yeah, don't go back there because that would be Rossville. Now, I'm not really, I'm not really I know nature, I'm not a bushcrafty guy. I'm more of an EDC survival type of person. Okay, good. Here's what you want. Okay. Parking lot. That way and that way. I think it was going that way. Boardwalk. Okay. I'm gonna get at least to the boardwalk, then I'm gonna end this. Because I need to set in. Yeah. Hopefully that's water. Either way, I can make a fire and disinfect the water. So I have waterpurification tablets with me, and I got fire with me. I got my fire steel, I got matches, and this thing. I'm gonna stop at the boardwalk, because that's as far as I can, my knee is saying, hey. But yeah, I love walking this trail, to be honest. I used to always, I don't think this is, whatever, okay, so the boardwalk is up here. Either way, I'm good. I'm hydrated. Hydrate if you come here. Always have a bottle of water with you. I don't. Nope. Not for my mistake. But that's why I have my, if I had to, my Woodland EDC with the SL Orange Fun Kit. I'm waiting until I get up to the boardwalk. Then we're gonna end the video. Okay? Okay, here is a little bridge. Honestly, I can easily walk this trail. Okay, here is a little bit of spider web. Not a lot, thank God. Either way, spider web could be a good fire sword too. If I'm not mistaken, there's no spider there. It's actually a pretty nice little thing. Glenn, I know you're enjoying the walk, watching this video. This will be on my Hobo JYK channel. Okay, I'm gonna pause right here. You know what? Yeah. Okay. So let me. You pause my hearing because I just have a knife, fire starter. I have 3 of those. Have a single mirror, VB, and have a fish kit and all that, and some vital instructions. So I'm pretty good for that. Let's get to walking. As I said, I'm getting to the boardwalk at least, because I know I have at least an hour, but I don't know if I have enough to go the boardwalk and back. I wish I knew how to do the thing. Either way, also, I actually have 4. Plus the fire still here and the whistle from good. There's those on the show which I like. Because this is a peaceful trail for me. I might start walking the trail a lot. Okay. I'm looking on the, you have to look on the ground too. You gotta look ahead of you and around. Now, I have my tank top on. My hat has holes in it and thing. Regulations, so I'm good. Okay, that'd be a good stealth camper spot too. And a homeless spot. I'll give you good ideas. I'm really swim shorts, by the way. That's the one I can find after I got a shower at my gym. When I get home, I'm eating the salad that I bought. I have it in my aunt's fridge. I'm gonna go eat that. I'm gonna go to my vehicle, eat, and take a nap. Also, another thing I have is this. I should actually be using this, but it's a more trail. Okay, here we go. I think 27 minutes is a good time for, this is all gonna be unedited too, so I'll make sure to be careful of that. I know what I can use out here for first aid if I had to. I should have bought my little first aid kit, but okay, so yeah. Okay, this is gonna be I guess it's gonna be this is gonna be put together because I accidentally, but that's okay. I'm at the boardwalk, but that's okay, Definitely for me doing this, I want y'all to give me a like and all that. Okay, here's some, this means don't fucking lean on this crap. Okay, so, yeah. I have 37:02 left on this, so yeah, and the boardwalk, and I'm gonna walk back without this being on. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the thing. Here's where the show ends. Anyway, so yeah, you'll get a good shot of, I think, Lake George. This is, oh no, I'll say it. We should actually go six up here. And here's the end of it. As you see, here's a nice panoramic of the lake. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down right here. Hope you all enjoyed this. I know I did. A nice view of the lake. Yeah, you can get lost on this lake too. But anyway, hope you all like this video. I mean, walking each other. This is for, we upload tomorrow for my 1-year anniversary of my vehicle. Yeah. Also, as I said, I brought some dew wipes with me. My fire still's in here. There's my air to show up. The little fire truck is in here. So yeah, I have fire starting capability for water. I could probably get some of that and just purify that. But yeah, there's a beautiful panoramic of the thing. Hope y'all like this. Let me get down there too. That's beautiful. Like, there's someone down there too. Anyway, y'all, This has been Homo JYK. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, share. Let's get this channel up and running. Peace, y'all.